I don't know, something about like cleaning, having fall smells through your apartment, like it just makes life a little bit easier. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. My name is Sam. Thank you so much for thanks for clicking on the video, honestly. Appreciate that. If you are new here by chance, I'm always making videos about my obsession of Halloween. Join the family, join my community. Subscribe, also turn on notifications. That way you are notified when I have a new video out. If you want to get to know me a little bit more, you can follow me on Instagram. All my social media links are listed down below. And if you would love to support my channel, you can check out my newly launched Patreon. I'm so excited. Huge shout out to the Halloween Happy friends in general for you guys have been pushing me for a long time do the Patreon. So I finally did it. It's gonna be a work in progress. We're gonna see how it goes real quick because I know I'm gonna get some questions. So earrings that I'm wearing today, these ones are from Ravenstone. They have such beautiful creations. They're local to the area. I'm sure you probably heard of them, but they have like such gorgeous earrings. I have so many pairs of them. I thought it matched well with my adorable sweatshirt. Can I show you real quick? I think you're gonna really love it. So this sweatshirt is from Lively Ghost. It is so cute. I just ordered it recently. I'll link that below. I also have an affiliate link that you guys can use if you want to shop Lively Ghost. I recently just did I did like a little fall trinket tray. They have these adorable little coffin, so cute. I used mine as a little fall trinket tray. Loads of cute spooky stuff. Like go check them out and use my code Halloween Happy to save some money. Mug of the video is this one. I got this one last year, I think. I'm a dog lover. How can I not love Snoopy? But let's just go ahead and jump into it because I know you guys just want to see the fall stuff. You just want to see the fall stuff. And honestly, I don't blame you. Not too long ago, I did a shop with me like online bath and body thing. We took a look at their sneak peek at the time. Once I filmed that video, they then put their Halloween stuff up online, and I know a lot of people ordered a few things. Go check out your local Bath and Body. They have such cute Halloween things. I'm really excited about all of their stuff this year. Usually like I'm more of a fan of their fall stuff. The Halloween stuff, don't get me wrong, I do love, I do buy. Sometimes the packaging is just not my jam. It's not my jam, but this year, you guys, like, it's my jam. I went online actually, and they do a thing where they feature a scent plug-in, like the actual plug-in of the day, and if you purchase it, you get a free refill. At the time, they featured the jack-o'-lantern glowing plug-in, and I was like, oh man, and I definitely needed new refills because I'm all out. I think I just have like one pine scent left. So I wanted to snag a few of those. I don't know, something about like cleaning, having fall smells through your apartment, like it just makes life a little bit easier. So adorable. I practically want all of them. They have like a little cat with a witch hat. They have like a little globe. It has a haunted house in it. It's so cute. They have this little guy right here, which I'm obsessed. I actually ordered 2 of these and then got 2 refills for free. They have a little purple bat that is so cute. Online, I didn't think that the bat plug-in, I would like it as much. But once I saw it in person, I was like, oh man, I hope that they do feature that, and I'll definitely snag it. We'll see. I ended up getting 2 of the jack-o'-lantern glowing plugins. They're so cute. I love these because they kind of have like a glitter shimmer to them, like little specks of glitter, which I love. And then the outside of it definitely plugged in looks like a neon light. Like it's really cute. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the refills and let you guys know which are my favorites that I really enjoy. Most of the time you can usually buy like a few for so many, but they did have a lot of the double packs on sale, which I definitely snagged a few of those. First up, we have the sweet cinnamon pumpkin. Guys, this one is so good. It's spicy, it's also sweet. It's not too spicy to where it like punches you in the nose or anything like that. Warm cinnamon, fresh ground clove, and vanilla cream. Honestly, one of my favorites. Leaves. This one is so good. I love this one. Especially being in an apartment, I miss the outdoors. Although I can go outside, but it's just not the same. Like, I miss walking barefoot in my yard and just sitting out there during fall time. I have to trick myself into thinking that outdoors is indoors. So I know in my previous Bath & Body video, I found that they were releasing the Perfect Autumn. I'm pretty sure that this is a new fragrance and it smells so good. Fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin. Sorry guys, if you hear my phone going off a lot, it's because the Halloween Happy Discord, which is included on one of my Patreon tiers, it's popping off. It's a good time over there. People are chatting in there. Fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, and clove. Like, definitely the perfect fall combination. If you secretly love Christmas, I know there's a few of you out there, I'm included. I'm including myself. This is like the perfect fall Christmas combo. You get a glimpse, you're like, fall or Christmas? Or both. It's both. So the next one that I got was the Honey Crisp Apple. I love apples so much. Like, I know I always say this, but it's such a good one. It's a good one for fall, spring, winter. You can add it with pine, add it with cinnamon. It just smells so juicy, like it's making my mouth water. When you plug it in with any of the other fall ones, it enhances. It like levels up your fall vibes. Another fragrance that I was really curious about smelling was the Harvest Gathering. I did smell this one in the store, but I forgot what it smelled like. But I know that I loved it. That smells so lovely. What's in this one? They consider this a fruity and happy fragrance. Didn't say. It's too bad. Oh, yes it does. Okay, I was gonna say I'm really shocked that they don't give a description, but fresh picked apple, autumn berries, and clove buds. So good. I recommend. Another one of my favorites that I love for fall. I like it all year round, but it's so good for fall. It's really great for Christmas too. Pumpkin apple. Guys, this one is so strong. It's like a sweet Halloween party, if you know what I mean. So I got a few of those. So the pumpkin apple, they were the free ones that I got with the plugins online. I was excited about this one because it's one of the Halloween themed ones. It's called Pumpkin Carving. It's a new fragrance. Freshly carved pumpkin, spiced pumpkin seeds, and smooth brown sugar. Oh, this one smells like Michael's Craft Store. This smells like when you walk into like any craft store and they have like the cinnamon, just the cinnamon potpourri by the door, the cinnamon brooms by the door. Literally, it smells like fall shopping. That one is Pumpkin Carving. I highly recommend that one. They also had another new fragrance. This one is part of the Halloween line. It's called Enchanted Candy Potion. I can't remember if I smelled this one eventually, but online I was just guessing. So with this one, you get spellbinding sugar, bewitched berries, and whipped pixie dust. Oh, this one it's really sweet. It's like, kind of smells like a fall vodka drink with whipped cream, if that makes sense. I like it. I think this one would be a good scent for like the kitchen, maybe your bedroom. This next fragrance has been a repeat for a few years, I believe. It's called Girlfriend. I don't think it's not that I didn't like it, it's just it didn't really catch my attention, but I grabbed it in the refill. And with the notes in this one, dark strawberries, ghostly peony, spine-chilling citrus. This actually kind of reminds me of like fall Avon, if that makes sense. Some of you guys might get that. I don't know. This one's really good. I smell the strawberries in it, which I love strawberry. It's nice. The citrus kind of like takes it away to where it's not too sweet if sweet is not your jam, but I would definitely grab that one again. I like it. So moving along to soaps and a few other little Halloween goodies. Around this time, I usually stock up on the Halloween and fall soaps and just use them all year, because as you know, why not? So the first soap that we have is the Perfect Pumpkin. This label is so cute. I love it so much, and it's just adorable. With this fragrance, it's carved pumpkin, spooky cinnamon, and moonlight vanilla. I actually got 3 of these because I know I'm gonna love it, and plus the label was really cute. I also picked up Leaves, which is the crisp apple, golden nectar, and warm clove spice. This one is a really good bathroom scent. I love it so much. The labeling is just really cute, really cozy. I wish that they offered sweater weather, it's so hard to say, as a soap. They might. maybe, but I love that one so much. Like leaves, I love. I grabbed a few little fall hand sanitizers. I love these pocket bags so much. They're so cute, so easy, and it's just fun. I keep a few around my desk, in my bathroom, like in my purse and whatnot, and it's just always like, I don't know, it's fun. It's fun just use. What is my life? It's fun just using, and it's definitely a mood booster. Grabbed one in sweater. I grabbed one in sweater weather. It's so good. Oh, battery, don't you die on me. It's too gourd to be true. This is actually in the scent of pumpkin apple. Found the cutest thing. They do different ones each year, but they have a new pocket back holder. And this one is another, it's like a frappuccino or latte, whatever your preference is, really. Like, are you joking me? I immediately fell in love with it. It is so cute. I'm currently using the pumpkin apple in this one. Look at how cute that is. Like, come on. Last item for battery dies. I've mentioned that I love the little travel size of the body sprays. I never get them because I have a few of the large ones, and I'm just like, don't get new ones until you use the old ones. But I found this one, and I'm going to use this one a lot. This is the Diamond Shimmer Mist, and the fragrance is pumpkin carving. That's probably why I have problems with my asthma. A few of you have mentioned. I know, I'm well aware I probably need to stay away from the scented things to protect my lungs, but it's like if I were a smoker, like I just need my one little thing in life to get me through. They had like lip glosses, they had so many cute Halloween things, and I loved it. So many cute Halloween things. I wanted all of them. I definitely will be back for the candles, especially when they go on sale, because I'm not buying them full price. Not doing it. But that's gonna wrap up this video, this little autumn Halloween haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications. That way you are notified when there is a new video. Don't forget, you can use my affiliate code, get yourself this cute sweatshirt or some other spooky cute things. It's Halloween happy. Everything will be listed below that I mentioned, and maybe I'll see you over on my Patreon. Check it out. I love you. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're taking care of yourselves. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. I will see you guys next time. Bye.